Hello guys, this is Kelly Bagla. Sidebar episode. Hello guys, this is attorney Kelly Bagla, the Queen of Business Law, and I am your host today with Go Legal Yourself podcast. And I'd like to bring to you some timely topics, and so we're going to start calling them sidebars, also known as bonus episodes. So this very first sidebar episode has to do with COVID-19 liability waiver forms. As businesses reopen, the practice of asking customers to sign COVID-19 liability waivers is increasing throughout the United States. But it is uncertain how much weight those waivers will carry actually in court. So what's the point of having a waiver? The point of having a waiver is twofold. One, it protects the customers by proactively telling the customers that the business is following health and safety guidelines, such as cleaning surfaces and floors and adhering to social distancing protocols. And two, the waiver protects the business by, again, telling the customers that it is doing everything it can do to keep the customer safe while the customer is on its premises. And at the same time, it holds the customer responsible for the customer's own health conditions. This way, both parties are held accountable for their actions, thereby limiting the exposure of potential lawsuits. Now, you're probably wondering, well, how much weight does the waiver carry? Like any contract, a waiver becomes a contract between the business and its customer. To be enforceable, the waiver must be narrowly tailored and easily understandable by the person reading it. Enforceability of waivers in general is a matter of state law. As long as the business can show it took precautions, then having signed waivers could mitigate any damages in a lawsuit. Well, I would highly recommend each and every business that is reopening to use a waiver. Again, these are unprecedented times and there is no set rule as to how businesses should reopen. Therefore, if businesses follow contract law, which has been around for centuries, it helps mitigate damages by demonstrating that there was no intentional negligence caused. That's the key word here, guys. No intentional negligence caused. So you're probably wondering, well, does the waiver create a blanket immunity from lawsuits? COVID-19 waivers do not provide complete blanket immunity to businesses from lawsuits. The waiver may limit or even prevent certain liabilities, such as common negligence cases. There is a new federal law being proposed, and it is to create a safe harbor for businesses, including colleges and universities, to protect against lawsuits. This legislation may be included in the next coronavirus economic relief bill, and it is proposed that the law be retroactive back to December 2019, and eventually it would terminate in October 2024. So if you are a business in America and you are considering to reopen, please go to golegalyourself.com. We have a complete complimentary free waiver you can download directly from the home website. Just put in your email address and a COVID-19 liability waiver will be emailed directly to you. We are here to help you. This show is about helping entrepreneurs. And please do reach out to us. Make sure that you download the app from your app stores. It's simply Go Legal Yourself, and you can contact the show directly that way. Plus, we've had some fantastic guests on the show, and that way you can contact some of these guests as well directly. They'd love to hear from you. Again, I am attorney Kelly Bagla, the Queen of Business Law, and it was my pleasure bringing this Sidebar episode to you today. Cheers to your success.